What does it take for a home to be considered out of level per engineering standards? Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Foundation Repair. You ask, we answer. Today's question that we've got asked, and we get it asked quite a bit, is what does it take for a home to be considered out of level per engineering standards?
Yeah, great question. I get asked that 4 or 5 times a week. But an engineer does not want the house, the floor, to drop more than a ½ inch in 10 feet or 1 inch in 20 feet. So there's sometimes they'll vary a little bit within 1/8 of an inch here or there, but that's a standard across the board. If a house is dropping more than a ½ inch in 10 feet, then that is considered out of level, and it's going to be need for a foundation inspection from somebody like us. So that's pretty much across the board standard.
Yeah, and I would agree. Like Mark was saying, is a ½ inch over 10 feet or 1 inch over 20 feet. Just depends on how your engineer words it, but we see it a lot in plans that are given to us or geo reports that are given to us. That's kind of the standard that everybody abides by. So if you think your home may be out of level by that much, feel free to give us a call. We'll be glad to answer any questions and help you out. Thank you again for joining us on another episode of You Ask,
We Answer.